Good day to all of us, and of course to all the guys who are watching my video right now, anywhere in the world. Good day to all of us, and thank you very much for just 4 minutes to listen. I will try my very best to speak in English, I should say. Although this is not my mother tongue, I will try my very best. I will share to you my some experiences like the repeating numbers, spiritual and sign, and the synchronization. I already have videos, but small, about 5 minutes. But I speak there in Tagalog. You just click in a translation. Now I'll try my very best to speak in English to have and understand all of you to what I'm talking to. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Now I'm telling you about the repeating number that I experienced yesterday. The what's this? The the superpower, the repeating number, and I think it's superpower. It's the 62222222. We're just joking, kidding, and laughing with my friends and some of my siblings or family friends like that in the beach in Nagalan Beach, Bulos and Sorsogon. We're having like that. Then I checked the time and I found that 2222262, and that's the very first time I know that Indianapolis and the Philippine time is the same. But the only difference is when we say 222 in afternoon in the Philippines, 222 in the morning in Indianapolis in USA. That's the very first time I know. That is a very favorite. But some numbers for me are normal, just like when I'm riding on a tricycle, because I'm from the Philippines. It's also going to have tricycle here. I never expect that the tricycle driver plate number in front, I saw it in my two eyes. The number is 666. I think 46 or 56. 6666. That are the plate number. Too much repeating numbers in my daily life. The 333, 444, 1111. It's like normal to me. But those who are like very powerful, at least more than four, the same number, that is very powerful to me. The synchronization is a simple thing that I experience almost not daily, but at least in a week like that, as simple as that. The synchronization is simple like this. I experience, let's say I crave for a boiled egg. I don't have money. What I'm going to do? Then suddenly, after a minute, my sister comes to me. There's a boiled egg. I have money, but no, my money is not coming in the bank. Please watch more in my video. Please like and subscribe for more. Because it's now I have a very short background. Thank you very much. More